Do the hula, if there's anything you'd like to say. Well, it's the only way, and you'll find that a trip around the island is fun. When you've once begun, well, you talk about the moon up in the sky. You look swimming by. You talk about the boys all hurrying back to a little brown gal in her little grass shack. And hula, if you like to whisper I love you, well, it's the thing to do. And picking flowers gets them every time. Katie, what do you write? The tropic time. When you walk on the silvery sand, well, you never have to talk, you simply use your hands. And hula, just join in, brother. Hold into your dance. Oh yeah, I do the hula. Hālau. Okay, we're gonna do hālau that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I had hoped that maybe if I was lucky to have one dancer this evening, we have 5. And that's a good thing. So we have here this evening on your far right hand side the owner of the Moana Hotel. Next to him, in the white and red shirt, oh, they're all kind of like white. Okay, the one who looks like my son without any hair. That's Crispy, and Crispy is the owner of Hula Grill Waikiki. Okay, I'm lying, but just clap for them anyway. This here in the middle, this is Alakai, and he is our latte boy. He owns Starbucks. Yeah, and now if we hear, this is Keo, who is a big-time director and actor, and his movie is called The Haumana, and he was on, Midwest or Midweek magazine. Over here, this is California West. Who are you? This one is too young to have any kind of, importance. Except that his importance is that he's young, because, he's like almost half the age of almost all these guys, including Roland and myself. Not you, I didn't say which one. They don't know who's who. Okay, so that in mind, do the hula. If there's anything you'd like to say, wow. Well, it's the only way, and you'll find that a trip around the island is fun. When you've once begun, and you talk about the moon up in the sky, the huma nuku nuku swimming by. You talk about the girls all hurrying back to the little brown guys in the little grass shack. And a hula, if you like to whisper I love you, that's the thing to do. And picking flowers gets them every time in the tropical clime. And when you walk on the silvery sand, well, you never have to talk, you simply use your hands. Hula, go into your dance. Oh yeah, I do the hula along the road to romance. Okay, hold it up. I noticed you folks aren't dancing too close to the stage, yeah? Is there a slope there? There's a big slope. You folks are billy goats, get up here. Yeah, there you go. You can do it. If you should fall on a musubi and bring it up to your kumu over here. Okay, therefore, we're going to take it from the top. That way, in case little people want to walk by in the front, they don't have any problem. A 5, 6, hail. Hail, Ai manu hea hea no ke ane haumana o Hanalei. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, these are the gents of Kamalei. What? Bully, you're the hālau. You guys, come up here. So,